Imagine your backyard transformed into a serene oasis, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find tranquility amidst nature. Picture yourself relaxing on a sun-drenched patio, surrounded by vibrant blooms and lush greenery. Or perhaps you envision a cozy seating area, perfect for enjoying a cup of tea and a good book in the cool shade of a towering tree. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through 100 plus inspiring garden design ideas, showcasing a diverse range of styles, from rustic retreats to modern minimalist gardens. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, you'll find countless ideas to spark your creativity and transform your outdoor space into a personal paradise. Rustic retreats. Rustic gardens evoke a sense of nostalgia and charm, transporting you to a simpler time. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and gravel to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Add a touch of whimsy with vintage garden ornaments such as bird baths, wind chimes, or rustic lanterns. Consider using reclaimed materials to add a unique and sustainable touch to your rustic garden. Repurpose old wooden crates as planters, use salvaged bricks for pathways, or incorporate vintage garden furniture. For a truly authentic rustic experience, plant wildflowers, herbs, and native plants. These plants will not only add beauty to your garden, but also attract pollinators and create a natural habitat. Modern minimalist gardens. For a contemporary and sophisticated look, opt for a minimalist garden design. Use clean lines, geometric shapes, and a limited color palette to create a sense of calm and order. Incorporate modern materials like metal, concrete, and glass to add a contemporary touch. Minimalist gardens often feature a focus on a single element, such as a sculptural piece, a water feature, or a striking plant. This allows the eye to rest and appreciate the simplicity of the design. Consider using gravel or pebbles for pathways to create a clean and modern look. Add a touch of greenery with low-growing plants or grasses. For a minimalist aesthetic, avoid clutter and keep the design clean and uncluttered. Aquatic paradises. Create a serene oasis with an aquatic garden. Incorporate a pond, waterfall, or stream to add a soothing sound and visual interest. Plant water lilies, water hyacinths, and other aquatic plants to enhance the natural beauty of your water feature. Aquatic gardens can be a great way to attract wildlife to your backyard. Frogs, turtles, and birds may be drawn to the water and the surrounding plants. Consider adding a small bridge or stepping stones to create a pathway around your pond. If you have limited space, consider creating a smaller water feature, such as a container garden with water plants. Even a small pond or fountain can add a touch of tranquility to your outdoor space. Desert oasis. If you live in a dry climate, a desert garden can be a beautiful and low-maintenance option. Incorporate cacti, succulents, and other drought-tolerant plants. Use sandy textures and natural stones to create a desert-inspired landscape. Desert gardens can be a great way to conserve water and reduce your environmental impact. Choose plants that are native to your region and can thrive in arid conditions. Use mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Consider adding a rock garden or a gravel pathway to complement the desert theme. Incorporate elements like desert wildflowers or native grasses to add color and texture to your garden. Japanese serenity. Experience the tranquility of a Japanese garden. Incorporate elements like zen rocks, bonsai trees, and koi ponds to create a peaceful and meditative space. Pay attention to the balance of elements and the use of natural materials. Japanese gardens are often designed to evoke a sense of peace and harmony. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo to create a serene atmosphere. Incorporate elements like raked gravel, moss, and bamboo fencing to add a traditional Japanese touch. Consider adding a tea house or a small meditation area to complete your Japanese garden. These elements will provide a space for relaxation and contemplation. Spiritual sanctuaries. Create a sacred space in your backyard with a spiritual garden. Incorporate elements like meditation benches, prayer gardens, or peaceful water features. Choose plants with calming properties and create a serene atmosphere. Spiritual gardens can be a place for reflection, meditation, or simply connecting with nature. Consider adding elements that resonate with your personal beliefs or spirituality. Incorporate symbols, statues, or artwork that have meaning to you. Create a peaceful and inviting atmosphere by using soft lighting, soothing sounds, and calming colors. Choose plants with fragrant flowers or calming properties to enhance the sensory experience. Explore these inspiring design ideas to spark your creativity. Experiment with different color palettes, plant combinations, and unique features to create a garden that reflects your personal style. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements from different styles to create a truly one-of-a-kind space. Consider incorporating unique features like a secret garden, a labyrinth, or a hidden grotto. These elements can add a touch of mystery and intrigue to your garden. Remember, the most important thing is to create a garden that brings you joy and peace. Experiment with different designs and styles until you find something that resonates with you. With so many inspiring garden design ideas to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect inspiration for your backyard transformation. Whether you're looking for a rustic retreat, a modern minimalist space, or a spiritual sanctuary, there's a garden design out there that's perfect for you. So get inspired and start planning your dream outdoor living space today. Share which design inspired you the most in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.